Now imagine that this cup of tea caused riots, rebellions, and even wars. It's strange, right? But it is true. Tea is one of the most popular drinks in the world today, but its history is weird, full of secrets, danger, and even crime. If you think tea is calm and safe, think again. It all started more than 4,000 years ago in China. There was an emperor named Qian Nong. One day he was boiling water to drink. Suddenly, some leaves from a nearby tree fell into the hot water. The emperor decided to taste the water. To his surprise, it had a wonderful flavor. And just like that, tea was discovered. At first, tea was not just a drink. People believed it could heal illness and keep them healthy. Slowly, drinking tea became a daily life habit in China. People loved it so much that it became part of their culture. Tea was everywhere in homes, temples, and markets. For hundreds of years, tea stayed in China. But then, traders from Europe heard about this amazing drink. The Portuguese and Dutch were the first to bring tea to Europe in the 16th century. Soon, the English discovered it and they fell in love with tea. In England, drinking tea became a symbol of wealth and style. When rich people could afford it, but soon everyone wanted tea. This growing demand started a big problem. The British East India Company controlled the tea trade between China and England, but China did not want British money. They only wanted silver. England did not have enough silver to pay for all the tea they wanted, so Britain did something dangerous. They sold opium, a drug, to China in exchange for silver. This caused tension between the two countries. China wanted to stop it, and Britain wanted more tea. This conflict led to the famous Opium Wars. Can you believe it? A simple drink caused wars between empires. Meanwhile, across the ocean in America, tea was causing trouble too. In 1773, the British government passed the Tea Act. This law made tea cheaper, but only British tea. American colonists were angry. They wanted to trade freely and not pay taxes to Britain. On December 16, 1773, a group of American colonists dressed as Native Americans climbed onto ships in Boston Harbor. They threw 342 boxes of tea into the water. This protest became famous as the Boston Tea Party, and this even helped start the American Revolution. Tea, once a calm drink, became a symbol of freedom and rebellion. Tea was also very valuable in the 19th century. The British wanted to grow tea in India, but China had a secret. They did not want anyone else to grow tea. Smuggling tea seeds from China to India was very dangerous. People who tried could go to jail or worse. But the reward was huge. Tea helped Britain control the world's tea trade for years. A small plant, some leaves, and millions of people's lives were affected. Tea was not only about money and wars, it also became part of daily life and culture. In China, tea ceremonies are important. They show respect and calmness. In Japan, tea represents peace and friendship. In Britain, tea time became daily ritual. People would drink tea in the afternoon with cakes and sandwiches. Even today, tea is one of the most popular drinks in the world, but behind the calm cup, there is history full of danger, greed, and power. There are many amazing facts about tea that most people do not know. Tea was once more valuable than gold. Smuggling tea seeds could be punishable by death. The Boston Tea Party destroyed millions of dollars of tea, which today would be worth even more. Wars between China and Britain started because of tea and opium trade. A simple leaf caused riots, rebellions, and conflicts that changed history. But why did tea have so much power? Tea is not just a drink. It represents trade, control, and culture. Countries wanted to control it because it was very valuable. People fought for it because it gave them money and power. Tea connected China, Britain, India, and America. It was small, but it had a huge impact on the world. Now think about your own cup of tea. Every sip you take has a story. It is calm and warm, but it carries the memory of ancient emperors, secret smuggled seeds, rebellious Americans, and empires at war. Tea changed how people lived, how countries traded, and how wars began. It is more than a drink, it is history in a cup. Tea also teaches us a lesson. Small things can have a big effects. A simple leaf changes the world. Something that seems calm and ordinary can be powerful. Tea reminds us that history is full of surprises and even a drink can change the course of events. So next time you make tea, imagine the journey it has taken from the forests of China across oceans through dangerous smuggling machines to the homes of kings and everyday people. Imagine the hands that grew it, carried it, fought over it. Imagine the riots it caused and the wars it started. Tea is more than a beverage, it is a witness to history, a silent player in the story of the world. Tea started as medicine, became a luxury, and finally became a common drink. Along the way, it caused power, struggles, rebellions, and conflicts. Yet, it also connected people. It shaped cultures, inspired traditions, and brought comfort to millions. From Emperor Shennong to the Boston Tea Party, from secret Chinese tea seeds to British plantations in India, tea's journey is incredible. It is amazing to think that a simple cup of tea holds thousands of years of history. A drink that warms your hands today once shaped empires, influenced wars, and changed nations. Tea is not only about taste, it is about stories, power, culture, and even rebellion. This is why tea is more than a drink. It is a symbol of human history, showing how even small things can make big changes. And that is the history of tea, the drink that started conflicts, inspired rebellions, and changed the world. Next time you take a sip, remember history in your cup. Every leaf has a story and every cup has a journey. Tea is calm, yes, but its past is wild, surprising, and unforgettable. So, what do you think is the most amazing tea story? The Boston Tea Party, the Opium Wars, or the secret smuggling of seeds? Tea has many stories, and every one of them shows us how powerful even small things can be. A cup of tea may look simple, but it is full of history, adventure, and mystery. Drink your tea slowly and remember its journey. From ancient forests to your cup, tea has seen empires rise and fall. It has been medicine, luxury, and a symbol of rebellion. Tea is more than a drink, it is history you can taste, a story you can feel, and a journey you can imagine. And that is why tea is unforgettable. It is calm in your hand but weighed in its history. A simple leaf changed the world, and now it is part of your life. Tea shows us that even the smallest things can make the biggest difference. A drink, a leaf, a cup, history in a sip.